So I've heard changing your cabin air filter at the auto mechanic can be an $80 to $120 job. I spent $20 on this. I'm going to show you how to do it here in the parking lot of the AutoZone that I got the part at. This will save you $60 to $80 if you do it yourself. You're going to want to remove this panel on the passenger side by pulling on the front, and then there's 3 clips that will release on the back. Pull that out of the way. The air filter is behind a door that's released with a tab on the bottom. Pull that down. You can't see the tab on the top. It took me a minute to feel around for it. But once you release that, the door comes off. You're going to pull the old filter out and watch this. This is ridiculous. Look at all that dirt. I'm a horrible car owner. I just forgot about it, I guess. I don't know. It's been a long time since this has been changed, if ever. We did get the Jeep used, so whether or not it was changed before or this is the original filter, I don't know. It's got about 120,000 miles on it, and I live on a dirt road. Here is the new filter with the old filter. Ridiculously dirty. Look at all that dirt. Okay, so when you put the new filter in, there's an airflow indicator on the cover for the filter. And you need to make sure the air filter flow indicator on the filter matches the cover. The pleats, or the accordion shape, goes vertically, and it will just slide back in. You may have to kind of crush it a little bit to make sure it gets in there, but it will straighten back out once it's in. Then you'll put the cover back on by feeling around at the top to make sure it latches correctly. It took me a few seconds here to figure that out. Once it's on, the bottom latch, you'll just lift that piece back up to hold it in place, and then you'll put the panel back on. And you're going to want to align this part of the panel with that part, which helps hold it in place. Once that is in alignment, the 3 clamps here will line up with their holes, and you just push those, snap those back into place. This job ought to take you about 5 minutes and save you some money.